What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. What's up, guys? Basically in today's video I'm going to be doing something culinary based, if y'all get me. Yeah, so basically I'm going to be doing cooking, I guess. Yeah. So basically what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be making some pasta. I'm going to be making some pasta with chicken. Yeah, I'm going to be making some chicken roast. Basically, I'm just going to be making pasta with chicken, if y'all get me. So make sure y'all stick to the end of this video. Like this video, subscribe down below, make sure y'all stay tuned to this video. Subscribe, like, comment, share, copy link. Yeah. And so please enjoy this week's video. Not week's video, today's video. Week's video. Whatever, just enjoy the video and comment your opinions or what y'all think. Yeah.
You should take it slow.
Okay guys, I know we're Okay guys, and now we're inside the kitchen where I'm gonna be cooking the pasta. So what I'm gonna be needing some ingredients, so yeah. Alright guys, so basically what I'm gonna need to make this meal is that we're gonna need some
fettuccine pasta, water in a pot, and some salt.
and yeah, I think that is all we need for now actually. So let's get to some cooking. Right now me hungry like dog. So guys, first step, you need to turn on the stove. I put it on like almost a medium. Then you're gonna get your pot of water, and then you're gonna put it on your stove. Alright, this so. Wait, I ring pot of the stove turn on. So basically, I put it on your stove. Yeah, into that, and then like a pot I got heat with water. Yeah. Then we're gonna get like our pasta. So guys, I got the pasta. And like, I'm gonna put it. I'm not gonna use it all like, cause like maybe if I go leave somebody else eat. So that's good, like a good amount. Like, you know, me with that eat. Like, you know.
We are going to pretend we didn't hear that.
Pop it in two. Throw it in a pot. Ooh! Still boiling. And that is all I'm gonna put for now, guys, you know. So guys, while the pasta is, you know, boiling in the pot, I'm gonna like start on like, I need some like, you know, I need some healthiness in my life. So what I'm gonna do is like cut up some vegetables, like me have spinach, me have tomato, me like, we'll find something to cut up. So first what we're going to need is our official, you know, everybody need a cutting board. And we also gonna need a knife, you know, one day that Irish them. I'm gonna need my vegetables, if you get me. I'm gonna need my healthy vegetables. So I got spinach, I have some, me have carrot, but me not really fan of carrot, but me might add like on 1 or 2. And like, me have my tomato. I like tomato. What? Comment down below, what do you call it? Tomato or tomatoes? What to me is tomatoes. Oh yeah, that's all. I got for now. So, obviously this is gonna need to wash and stuff. Then you can like get it cut in, I guess. So I'm gonna start off with the tomato. So guys, time to check on the pasta, and basically you know see it now. Like we need one spoon or something. So like we have a pasta.
Spaghetti. What? Child. Anyway, so
Yeah, so I'm just gonna mix that, all of that, and this forgot to add no salt or nothing. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to taste. Alright, that's good. So basically pasta soon finish. Then let me go, you know, prepare everything, mix everything, nice for everything. Yeah. And also guys, this is our vegetable part, where I got like this is the spinach, we have tomatoes and carrot. So yeah. Alright guys, I know everything is finally done, because I'm stressed right now, I'm hungry. Alright, so I'm gonna show you everything. So basically like this is basically some chicken that we mince up and what am I touching food, man? Yeah, that's the chicken part which I'm gonna add to the pasta. So we just got our vegetable already and everything. And then now we join the pasta, and like we have, you know, the pasta. Pot bunny. Yes man. Yeah, so this is all we have so far. And we're done. Basically we reached almost reached the end of the episode, but the last thing I have to do is like mix these together and like, you know, testy. So basically what I'm gonna do now is mix. So like let me set up this camera. So guys, we have one like third party to a bunch of food. I'm gonna be adding some corns, but like bro, corn does taste very nice. Also we're gonna be adding some mayonnaise. Even though I'm not really a big fan of mayonnaise, I'm not really add a lot. But yeah, we're gonna need mayonnaise, and that's all. Last thing we need, first thing we need for the nose, like mix everything together and tasty. I'm not put it all on the trouble left, like video everything again. So I'm gonna go, you know, a clean transition. Yeah, and like, you know, already mark, set, go. Presenting pasta.
Don't be a stranger.
Okay guys, so that was the end of today's video. Please make sure y'all click that subscribe button, subscribe down below. Yeah, me just a subscribe already, I know, whatever. Yeah, and like this video, comment down below, share this video, copy link, everything. Yeah, everything helps. And thanks for watching this video with me. Basically y'all see the pasta, it was so good. Yeah, it does look good. I'm can't wait for taste it because I don't want to get cold now that I see me a rush. So yeah. So I'll see you on my next YouTube video. Y'all know what to do. Holla holla holla. Adios amigos.
From this high.